let's find the height of this cone. So the question is asking you to find the height of this cone, and it's giving you the capacity of 3 liters. Now don't get confused by the word capacity. Capacity is the same as volume. So the question is actually telling you the volume is 3 liters. Another thing worth noting here is the fact that you're given volume in liters and you're given the radius in centimeters. So it's important that you remember that volume in liters can easily be changed into centimeters by multiplying it by 1,000, because there are 1,000 centimeters in centimeters cube in a liter. Okay, so that means the volume is actually 3,000 centimeters cube. Now I'm going to go ahead and write the volume formula, which is 1 over 3 multiplied with area and multiplied with height. Now I know area of the cone base is pi r squared, so I will write 1 over 3 times by pi times by r squared times by height. Okay, remember pi r squared is area of a circle, which is the base of a cone. Now I'm going to go ahead and substitute in everything that I know. So I know volume is 3,000, so I will replace V with 3,000, which is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied with pi multiplied with r, which in this case is 12, so it'll be 12 squared, multiply that by h. Now there are loads of ways to do these kind of questions. You can start multiplying both sides by 3, then divide by pi and 12 squared. What I'm going to go ahead and do first is, I know 12 squared is 144. So I'm going to do 1 over 3 multiplied with pi multiplied with 144 multiplied by h. Now, considering 144 divided by 3, which is an easy sum to do, I will be able to get 48, which means 144 divided by 3 is 48 multiplied with pi multiplied by h. That makes my calculation a little bit less complicated to go ahead with. So now to get h on its own, I will divide by 48 times pi here, and I'm going to divide by 48 times pi here as well. So 48 times pi and 48 times pi will cancel out, and that gives us h equals to 3,000 divided by 48 times pi. Now the question is expecting you to leave your answer rounded to 3 significant figures. So if I do the sum first, I should get an answer of 19.89. 19.89 rounded to 2 significant figures should be 20 with a decimal at the end centimeters. Okay, remember the decimal is important, otherwise 20 has only got 1 significant figure.